Hi, I'm Rob.
I'm Denise.
I don't know if you've noticed this, but in our videos, it's titled 20,000 Mile Journey. So we should probably tell you a bit more about that. Our 20,000 mile journey is going to take us about 18 months.
Yay!
And we're going to see some super places along the way. Now, each video has its own state that it passes. So we're going to scoot through many different states.
Yes.
Until we get to Maine. Why Maine?
Why Maine? Well, we never made it to Acadia. Last time we went what we call going around the block. And we really want to see it. But we don't want to see it in September. We want to see it in August when it's nice and warm and we can see the beautiful ocean and the rocks and lighthouses and everything it has to offer. Then after Maine, we're coming back down to Rhode Island and then we're going back up to the top of Maine. The reason is we want to follow the colors all the way down. So we're starting in Maine in late September and we're going through New Hampshire and Vermont and all the way down to Florida so that we can follow the colors all the way through. There's some real highlights there that we're excited about.
So the colors are the changing of the leaves, and it's the most spectacular thing. You've probably seen photographs, but nothing is going to be like our video, so you've got to stay with us.
Anyway, now we're in Texas.
Oh.
So let's show you Texas.
Here's Texas.
On this trip to Texas, we visit Fredericksburg in the Hill Country, Austin, Cato Mills right outside of Dallas, and Texarkana.
Nothing says heat wave in Texas like a cowboy in a pool with his hat on. The tree houses are bigger in Texas.
If we're anywhere near, we have to stop and see our friend Gerald, who has added chicken and goats to his menagerie.
Texas, like many other states, has a mosquito problem, but not here. These strange-looking alien objects are actually bird nests for the blue martin. They love mosquitoes.
He loves his upstairs balcony where he can look out for his evening dinner guests. It's always the same lady that leads the way.
Every evening he gets between 20 and 30 deer.
This was one of my favorite experiences in Texas.
So one of our favorite things in Yorba Linda is Concert in the Park. We're there.
Yeah, concert in the parks are great. We'll let you know how we fare out. It's 97 degrees, it might be really short. Talk soon.
Last time we came through, everything was shutting down due to COVID, so we are determined to see as much live music as possible. So Rob, we're in Fredericksburg and it's 95 degrees. What do you do?
Dairy Queen.
Hi. So Rob and I haven't done a decent hike in a couple of weeks actually. So our friend Gerald told us about this great river hike. Guadalupe River in Kerrville, Texas.
Yeah. Actually, it was a beautiful hike.
Fredericksburg has live music every night, but most of it's country. In our last night in town, we were lucky enough to find a fabulous blues band in this fabulous venue.
Don't put no headstone on my grave. All my life I've been a slave. I want the world.
I look like Picasso painting in his blue period stuff.
Come on, get back.
We stayed in McKinney Falls State Park, just outside of Austin. It was a beautiful campground, but it was 104 degrees. Even the buzzers were getting ready for action. McKinney Falls State Park was a wonderful campground, just 10 minutes outside of Austin, with a great river, beautiful trails, and a fabulous picnic area. Austin is one of our possible landing places when we finish traveling, so we thought we'd look at some houses in the area.
We came back to Austin for the Austin music scene. First stop, Guero's Taco Bar. Wow.
You've got to love the no parking signs here.
Not only great music, but the restaurant section had really great nachos.
I wanted to take Denise to a place I had been years before.
What would I give?
The lead guitarist was fabulous. We found a great little town just outside of Austin called Round Rock. We were having a coffee and found this great little story about the town robbery.
We decided to spend 4th of July in Dallas, but it was 105. Even our cat was dying with the heat.
We celebrated the 4th of July in a tiny town in Texas. It was the most amazing food, entertainment, and firework displays we've ever been to.
And then it was Rob's birthday. He had hot tea and presents in the morning and filet mignon at night. Our last stop in Texas was Texarkana, 105 degrees. This is when our air conditioner decided to give out.
Fortunately, we were right next door to an RV repair place, and Mark, the technician, came over and got it fixed right away. He was a genius.
Texas was an amazing experience. Great people, great food, and great music. We love it here.
Next is Arkansas, and at least it's a little bit cooler. Well, that's it for Texas.
Yay, you guys got to enjoy it without going through the heat. That's the best part.
Hey, thanks for watching. And if you like our videos, please press the subscribe button.